Hello everyone. Today we will discuss NEFRA circular dated 7th January 2026 regarding effective communication between statutory auditor, board of directors, audit committee, independent directors, board of directors and TCWG, those charged with the management and governance. This circular is based on Companies Act 2013, revised auditing standard 260-265 and NEFRA investigation regarding audit failure. This circular is applicable all the listed entities and the body corporate which are covered under Rule 3 of NEFRA Rules 2018 and auditor of such entities. अब समझते हैं कि इस सर्कुलर का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. ड्यूरिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन नेफ्रा फाउंड दैट द कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन ऑडिटर्स एंड बोर्ड इज वेरी वीक एंड नॉट प्रॉपर. Related party transactions are not communicated to the audit committee, and auditors are not able to focus on fraud concern, internal control weaknesses, going concern, risk and unusual transaction. तो इसका इफेक्ट क्या है, वो कंपनी प्रॉपर चीजों को नहीं देख पा रही है और सब चीजें प्रॉपर वे में अलाइन नहीं है. नेफ्रा फोकस द कम्युनिकेशन शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. इट शुड बी इन रिटन. अगर ओलर है तो डॉक्यूमेंटेड होना चाहिए, टाइमली होना चाहिए और प्रॉपर वे में होना चाहिए. अगर किसी ईमेल का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता है तो इट शुड नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज डीम्ड एक्सेप्टेंस. Through this circular, NEFRA recommended at least there should be 2 proper board meetings in a year between board of directors, auditor and TCWG before starting of audit and finalization of accounts. Company secretaries are also requested to place this circular before the board and audit committee to take note of the same. NEFRA highlighted the responsibility of board regarding approval of accounts, compliance of accounting standard, policies, prevention of fraud, and prevention of companies' assets. Important point is that the governance responsibility lies with the board and the management. Audited accounts do not shift their liability from board to the auditors. For more updates, follow my channel. Thank you.